Hello, we are going to learn the extract function in Zbrush. So this can be used for clothing, armor pieces, hair, any type of geometry that needs to follow your base mesh. So I am going to hold down Control or Command on a Mac and paint out a shirt. So I'm imagining this is a shirt that this soldier is wearing. Okay, so everywhere that is masked will be my shirt. And then if you hold down Control and Alt or Control and Option on a Mac, you can erase. Clean up some of your mask. Alright, looks great. So now in my subtool palette, I will go down and press Extract and see what it looks like. Okay, you can tell that it's too thick. Now this is just a preview when I press Extract, because if I rotate, it disappears. So I'm going to change this thickness to 0.01 and then hit Extract. That's a little better. And then I'm going to hit Accept. Okay, so now what this has done is it has given me a brand new subtool with the start of this shirt. Notice that it's skin tight. So this might be great for superheroes, but if this dude's just wearing a normal shirt, this probably isn't going to work. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go down to Z-Remesher, and I'm going to just lower that poly count. So it's lower, it's easier to work with if that's your thing. If not, you can continue working with this. Maybe you want to smooth this out and then move it away from the body. Let's see here. So I smoothed and it started going into my body. But now it's not quite so form-fitting. Cool. I can come in here, use my clay brushes, and adjust this shirt, my cloth brushes, rather. So this approach can also be used for armor. Let's give this guy some armor plates on his thighs that we can start with. So I'm going to mask this out. Right here, hold down Alt. I'm going to redo that and just give him some more geometry. That way when I mask, I have a higher poly count. So yes, let's say that is what I was going for. Cool. Hit Extract under Subtool. Extract. I'm going to change this back up. 0.02 and then press Extract. Remember, this is just my base. Hit Accept. Clear my mask. And I'm going to do that Z-Remesher this time. Now I've got super low poly. I'm come in here, reposition my armor, smooth some of that out. Z-Remesh again. And go from there. Okay, if I wanted this to be like a strap along the back, right, I could go to my base mesh, draw that strap around, hit Extract, do the same thing. And all this is doing is giving me form-fitting geometry that I can then sculpt and work with.